Okay, we are at Blizzard Beach Water Park, Orlando. Checking it out. Just arrived here, not too far from Animal Kingdom and Coronado Springs. Lots of people here. This weekend coming up, actually next weekend, is Memorial Day, and they will be opening up Pandora. Pandora will be opening up in the Animal Kingdom, is that right?
Yep.
In the Animal Kingdom, so that's something new at Disney. Check that out. Pretty neat little ski lift they have up there. Slide. Kelly's still on her phone.
I'm trying to find a showtime for the fireworks.
Looks like the ski lift just takes you up and around and then go up these stairs, and that'll take you to the bigger water slide they have up there, and then I think that there's just smaller ones down here for the kids. Getting a little hot out here. Definitely humid in Florida. Just checking out the wave pool. Oh, look. Kids are still in school. I think they got maybe 1 or 2 more weeks left, so it's not too crowded. Different look of Blizzard Beach. My wife says I've been working so hard, she's gonna give me a 15-minute break. Might have to go down one of those water slides. Can I zoom in up there? Oh yeah, I can do it. Maybe I'll give it a shot. Okay. We're leaving Blizzard Beach. We had fun. My wife let me go down the water slide, and
That's your 15-minute break.
Yeah, and I also went to the wave pool. Had a good time. We're on our way out, and we're off to
Typhoon Lagoon.
Typhoon Lagoon is where we're going. We've never been there before. We'll check it out.